Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can hide Grammarly icon over here. So what you need to do is just go to your web browser like this. Firstly, just go to your web browser. So this is my particular web browser where I have, let's say, Grammarly over here. So how we can hide the icon is, let's just get started. So now over here you can see the Grammarly option over here, which is in the toolbar. So over here just go and right click on your mouse and then you'll see this on pin option. Just go on it. So you can see the icon has already been hidden. So if you want, so let's say you change your mind and you want it back, so what you can do is just go over here in the toolbar itself, like the extension, and then over here you can pin the option like this and the icon will come automatically like this. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you hide the icon. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.